Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress website. Before we get started, I want to make it clear this is a destructive move. If you go through with this action, it will completely reset your site to a default WordPress website. That means that any images, data, or any changes you have made to your website will be lost. So it is important to make a backup before you do this so that you can recover any necessary files later. So let's get started. Once you're logged into the host Magi Hub, click on the site that you want to manage. Under Hosting, click on Tools. Scroll down to the WP Tools section. Here you will see three options. Today we are mostly talking about Reset WP, but real briefly I want to touch on Reset WP Config. This basically just resets your database connection information. Click on Reset under Reset WP. This will warn you that you're about to delete everything and reset to a single site install of WordPress. Type in reset to confirm you want to do this. You must do this in all caps or it will not work. Confirm and reset. Now you need to create your admin account and click continue. This process typically takes under a minute to 2 minutes for most websites. For larger sites, it may take a bit longer. You do not need to remain on this page as you will receive a confirmation email once the reset process has completed. Once the site has been reset, you can confirm the reset by visiting the website. And you'll see we have a default WordPress install. Congratulations, you have reset your WordPress website.